Hello everyone, this is Prabhakaran. Hope you are doing good and fine. What happened to local disk A and local disk B? Why the local disk C is set as a default local disk drive? And is it possible to rename the local disk drive names? Let's see in this video. A long time ago, it was difficult to have a personal computer. Working with a computer was a kind of deluxe nobody could do. But today in this modern world, amount of computer owners are increased drastically, and moreover, the Windows operating system takes a unique place among the users. Have you ever noticed in Windows operating system that why C drive is set as a default and what happened to local disk A and B? Let's see that. Hard drives turned into standard from 1980s. Earlier, hard disk drives and floppy disk drives were utilized as the storage devices. Floppy disk drives were the first storage devices and they came into existence from 1960s. They are basically available in two sizes. These two floppy disk drives were labeled as local disk A and local disk B. After the innovation of hard disk, the primary hard drive of the system is labeled as local disk C, and it is used for storing the operating system files, other applications and their related files. Is there any possibility to rename the local disk C as local disk A? Let's see that. To do that, first you need an administrative rights. Now I am going to perform the operation number 1, in which I like to change it as local disk A. So go to local disk C and right click. You can see the rename operation. Click on the rename and try to change the name as local disk A. Okay, so once you give enter, you can see that it will ask for the administrative permission. Click on continue. Now you can see that the particular drive name has been renamed, but it will not change the drive letter. It will remain same, that C drive. Okay, now operation number 2. Let's try in one more way. So go to start menu and type as disk management. So and click on the disk management operation. Now I am trying to rename the same local disk C using the disk management properties. Okay, let's see that. You can see here the number of volumes available over here. Now I'm trying to rename the particular drive. Now we have given that as local disk A, right? So I'm trying to rename this particular drive letter as A. So go to that and click there, right click. You can see an option called as change drive letters and path. Click on that. Okay, after that you have to click on change. Okay, so once you click a change drive letter or path, you can see that assign the following drive letter to that particular disk drive. You can see that all the letters from A to Z is available. Now I'm trying to rename it as A and giving it as OK, and it will ask for the permission. Again you have to give yes, and now it will end up with the result that the parameter is incorrect. Yes, so that we can see that the local disk C renaming is impossible, right? Now the same operation if I try to do for another local disk. Now see here, I am having a local disk C in it, right? Now I am going to try to rename this as local disk A. So click on the local disk F and right click on it. Click as change drive letters and path. Okay, now go to change and you can see that the assign the following drive letter. Now I am assigning it as A and giving it as OK. Again it will ask for the permission, and see this properly. Some programs that rely on drive letters might not run correctly. Do you want to continue? I will convey this information later. Now click on yes. Okay, so you can see that the disk partition has been performed, that the disk partition operation has been performed and it's renamed. Now we can go and see that. Yeah, refresh it and see whether it becomes, yeah, now you can see that local disk F has been renamed as local disk A. Now what's the problem occurring here? Why the letters A is not renaming here? Changing drive letters is not advisable because problems occur when Windows and other programs expect a file in a particular place. Obviously, changing the local disk C would be a disaster Windows could not find itself. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time. Stay connected with KIT and Visaithalam for more interesting videos in related to science and technology. Thank you so much.